Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss a little bit about my Laravel project that composed of this stack: PHP 8.3, Laravel Breeze for authorization. Also, last time I included Swagger for OpenAPI. Also, I used Livewire, White. White, it's not actual point actually. I think white. Maybe it's true, but I don't remember. The second white. I don't remember anything about white in my project. Okay, but I use Tailwind CSS, MySQL, Redis, and that's it. Mm. Also, I should include here filement for admin panel. So let's start my project. Now I am in my project directory. Right. I can start it with the docker command or with sail, with the sail, like it's shown in here. Okay, let's start with the sail. Well, vendor sail. We can see it started all of the project containers. We can check it with the Docker plugin in PHP Storm. All of the containers that are needed for running project you can see right here. Now I can open and actually I have an interest about white. Anyway, I can check it later. Localhost. So it's my project in Russian transcription, but it has different locals. You can switch it into English with config file. Here you can select the language. It's true, I can select in English. Reload page. So now it's in English. Let's log in. As you can see here, the authorization form for my project that is built on, let me show you, uh, the authorization and registration forms are built on Laravel Breeze. You can find information about all packages, PHP packages in composer file. Here you can see PHP version, framework, Synchron that I use for building a Open API, REST API, and Livewire. Okay. Let's log in. Breeze. I wanted to show you Breeze version. I don't know why, but I can find it here. Maybe it's not. It's not a part. It's not a part of composer packages. Mhm. Breeze. No, it's available here in dev requirements. Breeze. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Let's log in. And you can find my dashboard that actually is empty right now. You can switch modes of the template. This feature I developed too. Let me show you. Okay, you can go to your profile. Since since I have an admin profile, I can go to admin panel by this URL, and here you can control users. You can see names, logs. These are user tags. Users you can find here. It's my username, email. You can see I have admin tag. I can block any users. Uh, let's go to the user detail page. You can add any other tags. For example, it's better to show on another users. I think to show few differences on the another users. At first, I think it's good to show you pages on the my user. You can see all of the functionality. You can add news, edit news, preview, delete. Actually, it's a part of any admin panel like file element. You can make the same things in admin panel here, but it's a UI developed for public part of my application. And for example, uh, you can open detail and go back and delete any and he edit any element because you're an admin user. Mm. Also, you can see here notifications that is that which go through the queue, and these notifications will be received by all of admin users who are admins, and if any user create and use, all of admin users gets notification about the created news. So now I can see that some user created this news. Let's check it. We can see this news. We can find ID, and let's find it in uh, admin panel. This is that news. We can see here from admin panel that it was created with the user that has ID 2. And so let's check users. This user, I think, is that user. Yeah, it's right. He is author. Let's authorize under this user. Copy his email address. I I go to incognito right now. Go to authorization. Enter this user password. Login. It's incorrect. I don't know why. Okay, maybe I have to change his password. Just a second. Password. Let's enter 000 5 zeros. Save changes. It's okay. Let's enter 0000. Login. Yeah, I'm authorized now. And if I go to news, I'll be able to see all news. I don't know why. Let's check it. It has author tag. Profile. Right. Okay. Ah, any other user can just see can only see news, but he is not able edit or delete another news. I can find only my news to edit. Just a second. Hmm, 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 hmm. This search dev is developed on Livewire. Livewire. So I found my news, and I think I can edit. Yeah, I can edit my news because I am the author of this news, and also I can see the search has the activity that is supported by Livewire. Also, I can add any other news, for example. This is a front-end validation on Livewire. As you can see, I should enter content field that is required. Yeah, now I added a new news, and all of other users should receive notifications. but now it it doesn't appear yet at my admin user since I haven't started the queue worker. So let's do it. Hmm. I think I find that information how to start the queue worker in my documentation. Quick start. Rotation. Its new features on OpenAI. Open API. Uh, I can see the information here still. Just no problem. Okay. Mm, how to start uh, a Laravel queue worker. You should enter this command. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Usually I do it through Sail. So it started working. As you can see, it processed the notification according to likes that we can see here. So let's go to our admin user, and now you can see reactivity on Livewire. Like the admin user can see this page with notification reactively without reloading page. So now let's click and we see that news called test2 is created. We can delete all notification. Can go here. Also, we can check our emails. Just a second. You can go to MailPit on this port. You can see this. This is my admin email. It means that only one admin got this notification that looks like this and which was displayed here in UI. Also, it's a basic functionality that I wanted to show you, which I developed during this work on my Laravel project related to UI part. Also, it has a API. I think it's good to show you later my open API on Laravel. Thank you very much for attention. Bye.